Hey guys, and welcome back to Bias Talk Season 2. Today with us we have Mr. Saurabh Sharma, and he is going to share his experience of his Jimny Alpha Manual red and black color. So, first of all, hello Saurabh, how are you?
I'm fine. Hi, how are you, bro?
I'm good. So, first of all, bhai, please introduce yourself.
So, hi friends. My name is Saurabh Sharma. Basically, I'm from Mumbai, born and brought up over here, and I'm a traveler basically. And by passion, I'm into traveling, and by profession, I'm into HR. I do recruitments.
Okay,
So, traveling has always been an integral part of me. So, I've traveled almost 1 lakh kilometers till now in last 7 years, especially. I've started off late traveling in last 6 to 7 years. It's been. I've started
okay,
traveling. Prior to that, I have never given much of importance to traveling as such. But then in last
okay.
6 7 years, like I have traveled so extensively, it's like the all across India from Kashmir to Kanyakumari. I have traveled everywhere. It's only the northeast is left right now in my bucket list.
Okay. So, now my first question to you would be that which car did you previously own before the Jimny?
So prior to this, I had a Toyota Etios,
Okay.
and I've been driving that. I drove that for 1 lakh kilometers exactly.
Oh, nice. Okay.
Yes.
And
So
now I would like to know your story behind buying this Jimny. So,
all
what
right.
was that whole process? Yes.
Yeah, so the thing was that since, as I told you, I have traveled with that Etios of my to a lot of places from Kashmir to Kanyakumari. So what
Okay.
happened? What used to happen that at the times when I used to go to the mountains places, especially Himachal or Uttarakhand and all. So because of the
Okay.
low ground clearance, I won't be able to go to the places where it would have been possible with the 4x4 car. So
Okay.
that was the reason I wanted a car like which can take me anywhere and everywhere. So that was the
Okay.
reason I got this journey.
Okay. And now, first time, when did you hear about this car? Like, how did that thought come that you want to, select this car?
So Jimny itself is a very worldwide popular car. So it is not
Right.
ki it's new to India. It is new to India, but then it's not new to the world. And
Right.
Jimny has proved its credentials all across globe. And
Right.
if people don't know, like it's get exported from India, which is a very good thing.
Right.
Like it gets manufactured in India and then it gets exported to different countries. And it took
Right.
almost 4 to 5 years for Maruti Suzuki to get it launched over here.
Get it.
So
Yes.
basically, they have become a direct competitor to Thar. But then I would say it is not a direct competitor to Thar because both
Right.
the cars are completely into a different category as they both are 4x4.
Right.
But then the three door, especially when I'm talking about the three-door Thar, not the five-door
Right.
box. So people
Right.
always compare, अरे Thar क्यों नहीं लिया, Jimny क्यों लिया, Jimny क्यों नहीं लिया, Thar क्यों
Right.
लिया. But then people have this very like misconception है कि both the cars are same, but then the detail
Right.
of both the cars are completely different.
Right. And now I would like to ask you is that when you went to the showroom to see this car, how was
Yes.
the experience there? How was your experience overall there?
The experience had been overall, yes, absolutely. Yes, they did greet me well. Like, experience was pretty good. They make me test drive the car. But then, whenever I went in for the test drive, initially for 2 3 times in different dealerships, I went to. But obviously, like when you're buying a car, so you will always see who's giving you the best offer. So for that reason, I've been to 3 4 different dealerships, and so most of the initial the dealership they were not having the car itself for test drive. So that was little difficult thing initially, but then somehow they got it managed from different dealers, and then they got it home, and then I took the test drive of the car, and then I took them.
And when did you purchase this car?
I purchased it recently in the month of Feb.
And when you saw this car, like maybe in videos or in real life, what exactly caught your attention?
Okay, in real life, I saw this car for the very first time in Mumbai itself. I saw it in the Sai Service showroom itself in the display while I was passing by. So that was the very first time I saw this car in real life.
And what caught your attention mainly? Was it the design? Was it the size? Or what was that main striking point in your head?
Uh, design as such, it is not that great. I would be very honest with that. Since I own Jimny, it's not that I'm only going to tell you all the goody points of this car. So design is not like, see what happens with Indian people is that the mentality of Indians is, अगर आप SUV बोलते हो उनको तो they want a big bulky macho car. सबसे पहले वही आता है दिमाग में कि it should be like macho, like Endeavor हो गई या Fortuner हो गया या Thar हो गई. So but then Jimny is completely different from them. So as I told you, the DNA of Jimny is completely different. So it is very compact car. So for me also, when first I was thinking to buy this car, I was pretty hesitant कि अरे SUV बोल के इतना छोटा कार ले रहा हूँ करके मैं. But then I got into a lot of studies about this car. As I told you prior also, it is into more than 50 plus countries. It is there. So I saw different videos all across different channels for different countries के. And I got to know such a powerful car and such a capable car racer. And that's the reason I got this car. But now I really love this car. I don't regret 1% also.
And what was the discount or offers you got on this car? Did you get any
Yes.
kind of, special thing in the deal?
There was no special thing in the deal as such, but then yes, what Maruti has rolled out, like there was nothing given special from the dealer side. But then yeah, the
Right.
whatever Maruti has offered from the OEM parent company, yes, I got better deal. I got a very good deal at that
Okay.
time.
Okay. And now this question, this is a lot of thing which people face usually when they go to buy a car is that first of all, I would like to ask you that did you opt for insurance from the dealer or did you take it separately?
I opted from the dealer itself because they were giving me a pretty
Okay.
reasonable market value का insurance ही दे रहे थे. They were not quoting me like 30,000
Okay.
to 50,000 दे दो या 60,000 दे दो as such.
Right,
So-
right. No, because many people have
Right.
that thing in mind that dealers might
Correct.
give you a higher quote for your insurance.
Absolutely. See, what happens is
And-
that it is
yeah.
like if you're buying something for the first time, you will get fooled very easily. It's very easy for anyone
Exactly.
to get fooled. That.
Yeah.
And these are most of the first time buyers होते हैं who get fooled like this. But then
Right.
even the dealer come to know
Yeah.
when they speak to a customer कि ये कैसा है, इसको उल्लू बना सकते हैं कि नहीं बना सकते.
Yeah.
So they knew me like
Yeah.
like what I am, like my background and all. So they never tried to act over smart or they tried to cheat on me as such. So they gave me what it is on actuals. Even like on
Okay.
they took 40,000 from me for the insurance and the insurance came for
Okay.
some 31,000. So the 9,000 rupees they refunded back to me.
Acha,
Yes,
they
yeah.
did. Okay. So you took this delivery from which showroom of Sai Service? You did it from Sai
No,
Service?
no, I got it from
Which?
Kataria.
Okay. Kataria. Okay, where
It's
is
in Bhandup.
this? Like in Mumbai?
Bhandup and yeah,
Acha,
Bhandup and
Bhandup.
Churchgate में है उनका.
Okay, okay. And now I would like to ask you is that did you inquire about the manufacturing month and year
Yes,
of this car?
absolutely. I've inquired everything about this car. I got the PDI also done
Okay.
of this car before buying this car thoroughly.
Right, I was coming to that question. So, I want to know because this I had spoken to someone else few days back. They were saying that, say for example, you are buying the car in December of a particular
Right.
year. So, many dealers might, might put you in a trap where, they'll tell you this is this year's manufacturing, but they might give you of say 7-8 months older
Right.
cars. So like exactly what was the manufacturing month of your
So
car?
my car manufacturing was August and they told me very precisely. October. It was October. So they told me very precisely. First they told me it's an August car manufacture. So then I got to know through the VIN number and the dealer also confirmed that it's an October manufactured car. So everything was like as I told you, like for the first time consumers they may try to make you fool, but then for me I knew how to check out the VIN number, how to check the manufacturing and everything. So they told everything to me upfront ki yes, everything was black and white. There was nothing shady in between. Like.
Correct. So it was complete transparency
Absolutely, right.
for you,
Yes.
nothing.
Yeah.
Okay.
There was nothing कि अभी इतना
And,
दे रहे हैं कल को
yeah.
इतना करने वैसा. Nothing like that.
Right. So it also depends upon customer to customer, right? How they understand the whole process.
Right, absolutely. That's
So
what.
that also depends.
Experience
Yes.
matters. वो see at the end of the
Yeah,
day they are
exactly.
also there to make business. So जिससे जितना मिल गया they will try
Exactly.
to take it out from there. वो कोई social service
Right.
तो कर नहीं रहे. And as a consumer also you are trying to take out the best deal from whoever you are buying that car. They also have
Right.
competition, and Maruti is such कि they have so many dealerships in one city itself.
Right.
It's not like कि छोटे छोटे गांव में एक दो dealership है तो they have the monopoly. So that's not the case with Maruti.
Yeah.
So even they want to sell the car,
Yeah.
so they know कि किसको कितना निचोड़ सकता है निचोड़ लो, ऐसा बात होता है.
Correct.
Right.
Correct. And like before taking the delivery, did you go to see the car at the stockyard?
Yes, I did go to the stockyard. I got it like
Okay.
a PDI, what we call as a pre-delivery inspection of the car. I got it
Right.
through a third party called as Zaccardo. So I got
Zaccardo, yes, it's pretty famous now.
So
Yes.
from them I got it done. The third party PDI got. So what has happened with this car was that first I had taken a grey color. First they had told me कि we only have a grey color car
okay.
with us. So I was like,
Okay.
ठीक है, because they were not giving color choices. They were only selling the cars which was there on
Whatever was there in their
correct,
stock.
because discounts were only on the existing stock. They were not कि हम आपको दूसरा कार लाके देते हैं fresh as per your demand.
Correct.
So that car when I did
Correct.
the PDI, so there was some issue with the gear transmission. So I got that cancelled.
Gear
Yeah.
transmission. Okay.
And by that time I already paid
Okay.
them 4 lakh rupees advance जो मेरा था for that car. So
अच्छा.
then I
Okay.
told them कि I want my money to be refunded back करके, or else give me some other car.
Okay.
So they had this red
Okay.
color car with the dual tone car with a black roof.
हाँ.
So in the
Red and black,
in the
yeah.
same price they gave me this car. Otherwise, this car would have
Okay.
costed more 22,000 rupees extra for the dual tone color.
Okay.
Yes. So
Okay.
since the PDI
But,
was done for that car and it did not go through, so they told ठीक है आप ये ले लो as a courtesy हमारे तरफ से.
Right. And now, in that new car, did you face any kind of problems like maybe कुछ scratch आ गया या कुछ dent? Was there anything of that sort in the other
No,
car?
nothing. It was
Which you have currently?
Yeah, it was completely
Clean.
fresh.
Okay. And now this question is very, not a lot of people talk about
Uh-huh.
this. But when you did the PDI done through Zaccardo, the third party PDI service, was the showroom, what do you say, patient enough to, wait for you to do all the process, everything, or were they, into rushing the matter?
See, I will tell you what happened in that. Initially, they were very reluctant कि नहीं आपको हम करने नहीं देंगे करके ऐसा third
Correct.
party PDI होता है तो we will not allow you to do that. So even the
Right.
viewers who are listening to this, you can put this point as a point of argument. You can very well tell them कि suppose this is my car, I am buying this car, so this car would be my car, all right? And at the time of delivery,
Correct.
if I am not coming and if I am sending my driver to buy to drive this car, so he's not a third party for you.
Correct.
He is a second party only because he is on working on my behalf for you, right? So
Correct.
similarly with a third party, if a PDI is happening, so tell the dealer it's not a third party PDI. It's a PDI. I am only
Correct.
doing just that. I don't know to drive car. I am getting a driver to drive the car. Similarly, I don't know
Right.
to do exact professional PDI. That's the reason I am hiring
Correct.
outside person to do that. So once I told
Right.
them this thing, then they said कि ठीक है आप कर लीजिए करके. But then only one condition would be that we will not allow the car to go out of the stockyard. So and that was very logical thing.
Right.
Also, no one will allow to do that.
Yeah, of course.
Even I would
Yeah.
never do that. अगर मैं वो कार ले रहा हूँ कल को कुछ होता है वो कार को on the road for test,
Right.
so that's wrong. So I did not argue on that. I accepted.
Correct.
That. So then they allowed me to do कि हाँ
Okay.
ठीक है आप ये कर लो करके.
Okay. And now, as you told that you had a problem in that first car,
Uh-huh,
the grey
right.
color. So, whatever that process of, changing the car for
Uh-huh.
you, like the other car which you got, was the process seamless from their side, or was it, थोड़ा time लग रहा था? Were there hiccups
No,
in that?
first they said कि हम इसको rectify करके देते हैं. मैंने no, I don't want any rectification on this
Right.
car. Either you give me my 4 lakh
Correct.
rupees back with interest for whatever 10
Okay.
days, 7 days you have kept the money with you, or else you give me another car.
Correct.
There's no third option for you.
Right.
So, and as I told you,
Okay.
it all totally depends upon the customer, how the customer is dealing with the dealership. If you are not
Right.
strong or not adamant with what the things you want, then they will take you for ride for sure. आप कितने भी कुछ भी हो,
Of
then they
course.
will take you for ride. कोई भी dealer is not ethical dealer.
Yeah.
Sorry to say that, but then it's end of the day how you are dealing
Yeah.
with them, they will deal with you that way. So they got
Yeah,
to know
yeah.
कि ये बहुत वैसा है करके, and they had pressure also.
Yeah.
If the car is not
Yeah.
sold, तो उनके will inventory will be stuck. So
करेक्ट, एंड उनके भी टारगेट्स
Absolutely,
मीट नहीं
right.
होते होंगे ना, इफ
So,
इट इज
एक और
देयर.
चीज
यस.
एज अ कंज्यूमर आपके ऑडियंस को मैं एक और चीज बताना चाहूंगा कि कभी भी ये मत सोचे कि
Okay.
यू आर एट अ रिसीविंग एंड व्हेन यू आर बाइंग अ कार, अपन को लगता है अरे अपना अच्छा डील चला
Correct.
जाएगा या कुछ हो जाएगा. अंडरस्टैंड दैट व्हेन द
Correct.
डीलर बाइज अ कार फ्रॉम अ मैन्युफैक्चरर, इट्स अ 15 lakhs 20 lakhs 40 lakhs whatever the car is, that 15 20 40 lakhs
Correct.
of the dealer is in this stockyard में वो पैसा पड़ा हुआ है उसका, and it's good for nothing for that dealer.
Right.
So वो डीलर
Yeah.
को वो गाड़ी को बेचना is more important than you buying that car from him. So you are
Correct,
always
correct.
at a peak point wherein you can argue and you can take things in your favor. And consumers and customers को ये पता नहीं रहता है, and then they think अरे बेचारे डीलर तो हमको इतना दे रहा था, हमने ये कर दिया, हमने वो कर दिया.
Correct.
Then they get into that guilt factor, and even dealers try to put you into that
Right.
guilt factor. सर ये ऑफर से अच्छा ऑफर तो हम दे नहीं पाएंगे आपको, ये बेस्ट है या वो
Right.
बेस्ट है, नहीं करना है तो मत कर लो. But then उनके ज्यादा प्रेशर होता है because they have the another pressure from the parent company also. So when the parent
Of
companies
course,
put
yes.
in that pressure on them, then they are bound to do things and they have to sell off their stock. And that is the reason you see so many cars
Right.
get so much of discounts at the end of the year or whatever, then the targets are not met and all.
Right. And now this question is, first I'm just talking about your pre-delivery experience. And I would like to ask, because someone told me this, I had a long discussion with
Okay.
them. They told me to highlight few points when, to the consumers when they are buying a
Right.
car. Of course, अगर आपका कार में भी 4 महीना 5 महीना 6 महीना पुराना गाड़ी रहेगा, विच इज केप्ट एट द स्टॉक यार्ड, ऑब्वियसली आपके गाड़ी के टायर की लाइफ भी धीरे धीरे डिटोरेट होती
Right,
रहेगी, इवन इफ इट इज स्टैंडिंग. So did when the PDI was done by Zaccardo, did all of that come into the check कि टायर का लाइफ कितना है? Because
Yes.
you have something, somehow you check that, right? How
yes.
much life is left. You have those numbering
Correct,
systems
right.
as well.
So they did check it.
So was all
Yes,
that
yes,
checked
absolutely.
properly?
Everything was checked in. Like they took almost 2.5, 3 years to do the thorough inspection of the car. So everything was checked in.
Okay. Okay, and now this question, I've not written it down, but this is a little different question. That do you recommend, not just Zaccardo, overall, do you recommend that these third party PDI services, do you recommend people
Absolutely.
getting that, or do you think?
No, I 100% recommend everyone, and especially people who are laymen or buying the car for the first time. आप वो 2,000, 3,000, 5,000 उसको expense मत समझिए. You put it as an investment in your car. Okay, because you are buying 15, 20, 10 lakhs ka car and you have to live with that car for another 5 years, 7 years, 10 years, whatever is your interest in keeping that car with you. So it's better to cry at the start only than to cry every day buying that car.
Yeah, that is a very good thing you
इसके
said.
लिए
Yes.
सबको लगता है कि अरे काय को फालतू 5,000 देने का, कंपनी का गाड़ी खराब थोड़ी होता है करके, इतना बड़ा ब्रांड है. No, see, errors always happen, mistakes always happen, machines are there at the end of the day.
Right.
And खड़े when they are in the stockyard, you don't know how they are kept. कितना people, most of the consumers, they might have not seen stockyards also, how badly the cars are kept over.
Yeah.
They only see the shining cars in the showroom.
Yeah.
So कभी क्या होता है, चूहा वायर काट लेता है स्टॉकयार्ड में, या फ्लड आ जाता है बहुत टाइम पे, especially in Mumbai if I talk about.
Correct.
We have stockyards in all the areas like Vasai में, Panvel में and all. So many a times.
And if it is open only, ना सब कुछ open ही रहता है, तो फिर यार
cover नहीं रहता. It's all in the dirty, shitty place.
Correct.
The cars are kept.
Yeah.
So इसके लिए always invest that 2,000-5,000 whatever the third party person is charging you. It's like an investment for you. Don't take it as an expense. एंड वो भी आप चाहिए तो थोड़ा और नेगोशिएट कर लीजिए आपके डीलर से. अगर आपका डीलर आपको 14 लाख में गाड़ी दे रहा है तो उसको बोलिए 1395 में दे दो, तो आपको वो 95, वो 5,000 वो डीलर के उधर से बचा के
that 5,000 उसमें ये हो जाएगा. Right.
I also did the same thing with my dealer.
Okay. So how did you come across with this third party service? Like, did you find it on
No,
the
I was aware
internet, or
about
how
them.
did you get?
From prior, yes.
Okay,
I've
okay.
heard about them a lot, and so I was aware about
Okay.
them.
Okay. And now this question is now coming to the car
Uh-huh.
only. So when this at that time the Thar was
Right.
there, and now the Thar Rocks has been
Correct.
revealed. Did you at any point feel ki, maybe I could have bought the Thar, or I could have bought the Thar Rocks? Did you ever
No,
get
no,
that
honestly
feeling?
speaking, मैं थार का
Never. Right?
डीलरशिप में कदम भी नहीं रखा है महिंद्रा का एक भी to take the test drive also of that car.
Okay.
Because that car was,
Okay.
I'm not saying anything bad about that car. The car is very good in its own way. Okay. But then
Right.
that car was not solving my purpose. My purpose was to
Right.
have a good, decent boot space in the car. It should accommodate at
Yeah.
least 4 people. And it should be a
Right.
city car also, not only a 4x4 car wherein
Off-roading,
I'm
yeah.
going to do off-roading every day. So, like I stay in
Yeah.
Mumbai. So, मैं रोज तो ऑफ-रोडिंग
Right.
करने जाने नहीं वाला. If I would have stayed in Himachal, Ladakh,
Yeah.
or Uttarakhand and all, that's a different
Right.
thing. Yeah, the roads are that way, so we have to live with that. But then with Mumbai, I wanted
Right.
to see कि that car is giving me and fulfilling all the requirements of mine, and that was the reason I got this car.
Correct. Okay. And now I would like to move on to a section which is called Practical Kitne Ho Tum.
Okay.
In this, I'll be asking you basic features about your
Alright.
car, some basic questions which is related to the various features of the
Alright.
car, and you have to tell me how practical they are, or how they could be better.
Alright, sure.
So first is that what is the response of the headlights in this car? Is the throw enough, or it could have been better?
It is pretty decent. Like there's no need to upgrade your headlights as such in the Alpha
Okay,
variant.
yeah.
For the Zeta variants, as you need to
Yeah.
upgrade. But then for Alpha, the
Yeah.
LED which is there, it is pretty decent. I have not yet found it कि उसको upgrade करूँ करके.
And in this car, which is your favorite feature out of what all features you get? Which do you think is the most favorite you have?
4x4, it's a
4x4,
4x4 car, so
yeah.
that's the favorite thing.
And what is your opinion on the touchscreen of the car?
It's pretty decent. Like
Okay.
the size is okay.
Yeah.
And pretty decent it is.
Okay. And do you think that the wheels and the tire which you get in this car are capable enough to go on all possible terrains? Like, did you ever have this
Yes.
thought that maybe I have to upgrade my tires or wheels, any of that?
No.
Nothing of that sort.
I did not find it difficult.
Okay.
Like the stock tires are pretty good.
Okay.
Yes.
And
Yes.
now let's go
You
to
don't have
the
to.
driving feel of the car. Now I'll ask you a set of questions regarding this. First of all, how is the initial pickup of the car?
The pickup is pretty bad, not that great as compared to passenger cars.
Right.
Again, this is a 4x4 car. It's not meant to fly.
Yeah.
It is meant to drive.
Right,
So again, अगर आप उसका specification के साथ देखेंगे 4x4 के,
right,
तो the pickup is not bad.
okay,
But then अगर आप इसको compare करोगे आप क्रेटा के साथ
Right.
या कोई दूसरी 1500 cc पैसेंजर कार के साथ, तो yes you will find एक ही लैग करता है.
right. But when you transition from an Etios to a, what do you say, Jimny,
Jimny.
did you feel any
Uh-huh.
kind of difference? Do you think the Etios was better in performance, or this was
Absolutely.
better?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Etios का pickup, it's a Toyota engine.
Yeah.
So Toyota का तो you
Yes,
so you can't compare it with anyone else.
yes,
So yeah, pickup का तो बहुत लगता है, but then yes, अब
right,
कुछ चीज पाने के लिए कुछ खोना पड़ता है, kind of thing.
right.
So ठीक है, चल जाते हैं अभी. Manage
And
करना
now I would like to ask you, because the Jimny gets a pretty small tank, fuel tank.
पड़ता है.
So have you ever
हाँ.
felt that इसका tank थोड़ा छोटा है तो आपको थोड़ा inconvenience होगा? Have you ever felt that?
Yes, I have experienced it also.
हाँ,
We were on Samruddhi highway.
हाँ, yes,
And there are no petrol pumps on that for 100 kilometers. Right. Yeah, so our tank was about to like blink होना चालू हो
हाँ,
गया था.
reserve fuel में
And
चला
we
गया
were
वो.
so
हाँ.
reserve fuel में चले गया था, and we were like कि अब क्या करें करके
Right.
रास्ते में फंस जाएंगे करके. So what we had to do is that we had to detour to छोटे गांव में हमको एग्जिट करना पड़ा था
Okay.
just to fill that fuel.
Hmm.
So the tank should have been little better, bigger, 50-60 liters का होना चाहिए था.
Okay.
40 liters is
Too small. Yes.
Yes.
And now, say you're on a highway or you're on a road which is wide enough. If you wish to overtake somewhere, if you wish to overtake a vehicle, do you get that confidence to overtake or थोड़ा आप डर के चलाते हो? How is that? सोचना पड़ता है.
You
Yeah.
बहुत कैलकुलेट करना पड़ता है.
हाँ.
कैलकुलेटेड ओवरटेक करना पड़ता है.
Right.
Like with my Etios, if I compare, तो Etios में
भागेगा
मेरे को पता
एकदम.
था
Yeah.
निकल जाएगी. हाँ, 1 सेकंड में निकल जाएगी.
Right.
But then with this बहुत सोचना पड़ता है.
Yeah.
कि लू नहीं लू करके.
Yeah. And like app, how often do you go on off-roading and how capable do you think the car is?
For off-roading, तो this car is capable. There's no second doubt
Okay.
about it. It is one of the best cars in off-roading. ये ऐसे mountain goat नहीं कहलाती है car.
Right.
There is some reason why it is called as a mountain goat.
Right.
So for me, how often I go, it totally depends upon my work schedule.
Yeah.
Like we have a lot of Jimny groups, so
Okay.
mostly every Saturday, Sunday is like off-roading के events होते रहते हैं. But then it's practically not possible to go every Saturday, Sunday
Right.
from here because होता क्या है, all these events happen mostly like Lonavala side, Pune side. and all.
Okay.
So उधर पहुंचने के लिए you have to get up at 3:30, 4 o'clock in the morning. Then you have to get ready and then you have to go. So
Right.
time consuming हो जाते हैं कभी कभी.
Right.
So उसके आलस के चक्कर में I don't go every now and then.
Yeah.
But then जैसे मौका मिलता है तो yes I do try to go
Okay.
as much as I can.
And now the other question is कि जब आप थोड़े higher speed पे रहते हो, so is the car
हाँ.
stable enough or do you experience a lot of body roll in it?
No, see, मैं the way I drive is like maximum I go 100
Okay.
and very rarely I go 120.
Okay.
So this car I have taken 120, that too again on Samruddhi highway पे किया है मैंने
Right.
उससे 120 पे. तो I did not feel any body roll or कि car हिल रही है.
Right.
So there was no problem as such. But then as I told you, my sweet point is between 80 to 100.
Okay.
At very rare moment I go 120.
Okay. And overall आपका steering feedback कैसा है गाड़ी का? On normal terrains.
It's
I would
very
say.
hard. It's very hard.
Okay.
It's not like कि आप एक हाथ से इसको नहीं चला सकते.
Correct.
You need both your hands on the steering, then only you can drive it.
Yeah.
It's very difficult because coming from again, I will compare it with Etios only because
Yeah.
that's what I've driven for last 8-9 years.
Yeah.
So Etios को मैं सिर्फ ऐसा palm भी रखता था तो कार आराम से
Right.
80-100 पे भी मैं palm रख के उसको चला लेता था.
Right.
But then with this car, no. You have to put both your and अच्छे से प्रेशर से पकड़ के रखना पड़ता है उसको इतना कि सिर्फ ऐसे ही पकड़ा आपने because फिर वो कंट्रोल नहीं होता है. It's very
Correct.
hard steering.
And how is the braking performance of the car? Is the brake bite enough?
Again, it's not. No, that's very bad.
Okay.
I have every time I go for servicing, not only me, all the Jimny consumers tell that customers tell कि the brakes are very bad.
Okay. And what do you think about the suspension in this car?
It's very lovely. It's very.
It is good.
The stock itself is good. Like people have upgraded to other IM and
Right.
Top Dog and all, but then the stock one is also pretty good.
Okay.
It's really very good.
Okay. And now let's talk about the next segment. It is like what all modifications have you done in this car?
It's completely stock. The only very basic things I put in my car are the seat covers,
Okay.
the floor lamination,
Mhm.
and the dash cams.
Okay.
That's it.
Nothing else.
Nothing else I've kept.
And now if we talk about long trip car experience, how has that been with this car? So you can tell a bit
It's very
about your
nice.
long trip as well as how the car has performed. So if you could elaborate a bit.
So for long trips, this car I personally felt very good as compared to my Etios. If I get into that picture, in
Right.
fact, it's a sedan, so people should say that that should be more comfortable. But
Right.
then somehow I found this car to be more comfortable as compared to that car.
Okay.
उसका speed छोड़ दीजिए, वो that used to go to 140 also.
Right.
तो ये नहीं जाती उतनी 100-120 पे. But then this car had given me like more of confidence in driving.
Correct.
When I used to drive this car, just because इसका presence, the presence is much more bigger. Like when you sit in the car, the road presence,
Right.
the आपको जो clarity मिलती है road की, that is much more better. And secondly, जब highway पे खड्डे आ जाते हैं या कुछ आता है, तो you don't have to think twice कि brake मारूं कि क्या करूं. You can
Correct.
take it because with Jimny the ground
It's
clearance is
pretty
not an
high,
issue.
yes.
But then with sedans and all, it is very think
Yeah, you
यार
have
एक
to
खड्डा नहीं
think
आ
a
जाए,
lot
speed
before
breaker
going on
नहीं आ
speed
जाए.
breakers and all कि नीचे
Absolutely
से घस
correct,
ना
yeah.
जाए.
Absolutely. So इसमें वो सब problems हैं.
Yeah.
I feel like very happy with this and I prefer to,
Okay. And okay. Yeah. So now I would like to ask you, this is again in the performance part only, that do you get a lot of engine noise and road noise inside the car?
Yeah, I do get not lot of them, but then it's
Little bit.
variable.
Yeah.
Like there's a solution for that to put
हाँ,
damping and all in
damping,
this
yes.
car. Yeah, but then I've not done that yet because
Yeah.
मेरे को अभी तक लगा नहीं कि वो करना चाहिए.
ज्यादा ये.
अगर लगा in future तो फिर I will do that. But then as of now नहीं लगा. तो इसके लिए I am only putting things in this
Which are
slowly and steadily
necessary
as
and
well.
yeah.
Yeah, because the very first thing I put was the seat covers because that was very necessary.
Okay.
And the second thing I did was the floor lamination because my pets are there, they travel in the car.
Yeah.
So it's easy to clean the floor.
Yeah.
So, and the third thing was, which I felt was very necessary, was the dash cam.
हाँ.
Because
Yes.
in today's world, when you travel so much and it's a very risky also at
Yeah.
times. So that was the reason I put the dash cam.
Okay. And what was that one moment, you know, in this whole journey of yours with the Jimny, where you felt that इससे बेहतर गाड़ी और कोई हो ही नहीं सकती? Did you ever get that feeling कि यार ये एक moment पे this car is unbeatable? Did you feel somewhere like that?
Off-roading.
Off-roading.
के time.
Yes.
Off-roading के time you feel कि इससे better कुछ नहीं हो सकता.
Okay. And
Yes.
now I would like to ask that have there been any kind of technical, electrical or physical issues in this car? And if so, how was your service center experience?
So as I told you just few minutes back, yeah, as of now till date I've driven it for almost 11,500 kilometers close to in last 5-6 months.
Okay.
So there are no technical or mechanical or whatever issues in this car
Okay.
as of now till date.
And how
So
has
the
been your
basic
servicing experience?
It has been very good.
Very
I
smooth.
do it with Sai Service because that's a very nearby to me. Borivali.
Okay.
So just 4 kilometers away from my place. So the service is very good.
Okay. And now can you highlight 3 good things and 3 bad things about this car?
Okay, so the very good thing about this car is the compact size.
Right.
People will say, "अरे compact size कैसे good thing हो सकता है?"
Yeah.
Because for me living in Mumbai, driving a compact car, giving me the feel of a 4x4
Right.
and the capability of 4x4 is a very good thing for me.
Right.
The second good thing about this is the what we say the 4x4
हाँ.
का जो इसका mechanism है, it's very good,
Okay.
especially for the off-roading when you are doing, or even if you are going to Vasai Virar and all from here, तो वो भी basically off-roading ही हो जाता है आपके लिए.
Okay.
So driving in such situations
Yeah.
also this car really performs well.
Yeah.
The third thing about this car is that this car of Maruti, like people very well say कि Maruti तो tin can है करके,
Right.
पतरे का डब्बा है, but then this car ऐसा नहीं है.
Feels solid.
Because this car gets exported to other countries also.
Right.
So the structure, the body structure of this car is pretty solid,
Solid,
as compared to other Maruti cars. I'm not comparing it with Thar or Tatas and
Yeah.
Volvo, but then I'm comparing it only with the other Maruti products.
Right.
So the car quality is pretty good as compared to other cars
Okay.
of Maruti. The bad thing, if you come to, so the very first thing, as I told you, the speed.
Right.
But then yes, that's a logical thing. I can't
Yeah.
crib about that because this car is a 4x4 car.
Yes.
The second thing would be the braking system. It's really very pathetic.
Okay.
I've complained it whenever I go for my services. Thrice I've done my services.
Okay.
And तीनों बार मैंने उनको बोला है कि brake pads को clean कीजिए because braking का बहुत issue होता है इसमें.
Okay.
And the third thing would be again the storage space is not there, but then again that is a 4x4 car.
Yeah.
So I need to adjust with that.
Okay. And now I'll move on to the last segment. It is called the DNA Satisfactory Meter, where I'll be asking you
Alright.
a few things about your car, and you have to rate it out of 10. 10 being the highest, 1
Okay.
being the lowest. First is the
Sure.
design.
The design of the car is pretty good.
Okay.
Like out of, you want me to rate out
Yeah,
of
you have
10?
to rate it out of 10.
Okay, so it would be 8.
Okay.
I can give.
Okay. And in terms of practicality,
It's 9.
Okay. And in terms of driving feedback, overall,
Overall driving is 8.
okay.
Mix of both. I'm talking of off-road, on-road, and on highway, city.
Okay.
Everything.
And in terms of comfort inside the car, like, you know, the seats, how comfortable they are in that aspect.
Again, the front 2 seats are pretty good.
Okay.
The back seat it's a bench seat, so
Yeah.
it's not that comfortable.
Okay.
So again, that would be 7. If they would have given all the 4 seats as the bucket seats,
Yeah.
because it's a 4-seater at the end of the
Correct.
day, like Thar, it's not a 5-seater car.
Correct.
So अगर वो चारों सीट को अगर वो bucket seat ही दे देते तो
Right.
that would have been a good thing for the car.
And off-roading capabilities.
10 out of 10 I would say.
Okay. And this is a plugin which I'm doing, but how do you find this interview? How much should you rate this?
10 out of 10.
Okay, thank you so much. And
welcome.
now I would like to ask you, because you know you have told me that you are going and doing something really special. So I would like you to you
Yes.
know tell something about that as well. So yeah. Okay. Wow. Okay. 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 Done this. Okay. So yeah. Yeah. So all the best. I hope you do
Thank
this.
you so much for this.
And
Thank you so much.
yes, and guys, with that we come to an end of this podcast. Thank you so much, Saurabh. It was nice talking to you.
Same
And
here, pleasure talking to you.
yeah, and that's it. So if you like this podcast, do give this video a like. Also subscribe to our channel. And after subscribing, please press the bell icon so that you never miss another update from Auto DNA. This is Rishabh Rajesh and Saurabh Sharma signing off. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Vande Mataram.